Okay, so the next is the ring counter. It's a very important one. Ring counter and Johnson's counter, it is a very important one. It is a 4. Now we are saying a 4-bit ring counter. If they are mentioned 4-bit ring counter, you have to draw a 4-bit ring counter. If they are asking 3-bit, means only 3 flip flop you have to use. That's all. Number of bit means number of flip flops. So this is, I'll explain a 4-bit ring counter. For ring counter, you have to use a D flip flop. So 4 D flip flops are used. So the input is DA, output is QA. So DA, DB, DC, DD is input, QA, QB, QC, QD is output. So it is a synchronous counter. So all the clock pulses are connected to a single source clock pulse. This circle and triangular, that means it is a negative edge. Then here how it is connected means it is connected in a ring form, so that it is called ring counter. That means the first flip flop output is connected to the input of the second flip flop. Similarly, the output of the second flip flop is connected to the input of the third flip flop. And similarly, the output of the third flip flop is connected to the fourth flip flop. Then the output of the last flip flop, it is a 4-bit, no? So this is the last one. The output of the last flip flop, it is fed back to a input of the first flip flop, so that it forms a ring. Okay, so that it is called ring counter. Then the first flip flop, we are using preset pin, that is PRE bar. Using the preset pin, we are making the output of the first flip flop is initially 1. Then the remaining second, third and fourth flip flop, using a clear pin, we are making the output of 0 0. So what it will do means, initially we are making QA is 1 using a preset pin. QB, QC, QD, we are making it as 0 0 using a clear pin. So initially output of the first flip flop is 1, the remaining is 0 0. So next what will happen? Next clock pulse. After that, once the clock pulse is started, what will happen? It will be operated as it is. That means this QA, now QA is 1, no? That 1 will transfer to DB. So what the D flip flop, what it will do? If it is 1, the output is 1. If it is 0, output is 1. So in clock pulse, what will happen? This is 1, no? Automatically QB is 1. So the first clock pulse QB become 1, because here it is 1, no? So this is 1. What about QC? Previously it is 0. So here the 0 will transfer here. So what will happen means, the QA will transfer to QB, QB value will transfer to QC, QC value will transfer to 0, then the QD value will transfer to QA. So the next clock pulse, what will happen? Again it will repeat. This value will transfer here, this value will transfer here, this value will transfer here, this value will come back to QA. And the third flip flop, again it will be transferred. So what will happen? The 1 will be transferred like this. First initially it is QA, next QB, QC and QD. Again it come back to QA, then it will be continued. So at a time, any one flip flop will be 1, that will be in the ring manner. So remaining other flip flops is become 0. So it will transfer like this: QA1, QB1, QC1, QD1, again QA1. So it will like a ring, the ones become ring. So that it is called ring counter. So that explanation is given here. So whatever I told, same thing. The output of the each stage is connected to D input of the next state, and the output of the last stage is fed back to the input of the first state. The clear bar, CLR bar means clear bar, followed by preset, PRE means preset. Using these two pins, we are making the first flip flop is 1, the remaining flip flops become 0. Then for each stage the counter will start. So this is called divide by n counter. Okay, this is the ring counter. Suppose if the mode n ring counter means we require 10 flip flops. Okay. The next one is the Johnson counter. This is also very important. Another name for Johnson counter is twisting ring counter. Twisting ring counter. Another name is switch tail counter. That's a different name. So this is also a 4-bit Johnson's counter. So same thing, the ring counter and this is same, but only one difference. So what is the difference means? See, in the ring counter, this QD is connected to DA, but in the Johnson's counter, instead of QD bar is connected to here. So that it is called twisted ring counter. The ring counter is twisted. So it is called twisted ring counter. Instead of QD bar is connected here. Then same thing, the clock pulse, all the clock pulse, negative edge clock pulse, it's connected to a common source clock pulse. Now using the clear input. So there in ring counter we are using preset bar and clear bar and making the first flip flop is 1, remaining is 0. But here what we are doing means using the clear pin, all the flip, we are making all the flip flop is 0. So what will happen, all the flip flops are 0 initially. So first clock pulse what will happen means the QA will transfer to QB will transfer here, QC will transfer here. But the QD is not transferring here. Instead of that, QD bar is transferring. QD bar, so QD is 0, so it is converted, the QD bar become 1, no? So 1 will be transferred here. So the next time what will happen, the QA will transfer here, QB will transfer here, QC will be transferred here, QD bar will be, so QD is 0 means QD bar is become 1, so it is become 1. So next time 1 is transferred here, this one transfer here 0. So the 0 will be twisted, that means QD bar, no? So here QD is 0, so QD bar will become 1, so this is 1. So 1 transfer here, 1 transfer here, 1 transfer here, this now it is 1. So what will happen, QD bar is 0, so the 0 will goes here. So like that it will be continued. So this is called Johnson counter. So the same thing we are written in the timing diagram also. So whatever I do, it is explained. So this Johnson's counter and ring counter, it is very important.